Hi everyone. Discussing money is considered as a taboo in various countries, and thus many parents don't discuss money with their children. But this can be one of the biggest blunders because when the children grow up, they may end up making big financial mistakes. So, it is very important to learn money management as early as possible. If you see the list of the richest people in the world, you will notice that many of them started learning about personal finance at a very young age. Warren Buffett is the best example since he started investing in stocks at the age of 11 and today is worth $100 billion because of the compounding effect. So, in this video, we will discuss about the most important personal financial tips that you must follow. Let's get started. Number 1. Start investing. Any form of receiving money like the pocket money you get, the money you have saved, the money you received as a gift, or the money that you have earned, you can invest a part of this money into various asset classes like stocks, mutual funds, bonds, debentures, crypto, or any other asset class. If you are under 18, then you can also open a demat account with the documents of your parents, your siblings, or your relatives who are all above 18. And if you don't have knowledge about the asset classes mentioned earlier, you can also invest with the help of experts. For example, if you don't have knowledge about the stock market, you can start investing in mutual funds or index funds where you hand over your money to an expert in exchange for a small fee. And remember to start early as possible so that compounding can work in your favor for a very long time. Number 2. Create a budget. Always create a budget for yourself that includes your sources of earnings, your expenses, analyze them and try to cut your expenses and increase your investments and savings. There are many online tools to ease your budgeting process and make sure you also avoid impulsive spending. Number 3. Avoid leverage. Leverage is not always a bad thing, but many teenagers take loans to show off in front of others. Many teenagers buy expensive gadgets, branded clothes with the money they have borrowed. This can land teenagers in a debt trap, which can be very dangerous for them. Number 4. Hedge yourself with insurance products. One of the biggest lessons people have learned in this pandemic is the importance of insurance. A major health issue can result in people losing their entire life savings on getting back on track with their health. So, it is very important to have health insurance and other insurances according to your needs and financial goals. Number 5. Pay yourself first. George Samuel Clayson, an American entrepreneur, introduced this term pay yourself first, which means to take aside an amount after you start earning. Here, you can use the 50-30-20 rule, which means to spend 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings. This rule looks very simple, but it is very difficult to follow since many people start spending just after they have received their salary. So, first keep aside 20% as your savings and then spend the money you are left with. And don't forget to have an emergency fund of at least 6 months, and if you don't have one, start building it so that it can help you in times of emergency. So, these were the most important financial tips for students to follow, and eventually, these simple but most effective financial benefits will help you to get financially free one day. So, if you find value in this video, then do share it with your friends and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Until then, goodbye.